In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tilt an image here in Canva. Now, what I'm about to share with you can be done with your own images which you upload to Canva, or with the images which are in Canva itself. It can also be applied to elements as well. So, I have this image just here, and what we're going to do is tilt this. What we want to do is simply click onto the image. Once we do that, we can see this just here. I'm not too sure what you would call that, but if we hover over that, it then turns purple, and if we click on there, we can then turn it left or right to tilt the image. And if we look just round about here, we're going to see the degree of angle that it turns, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to tilt an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.